Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do vapor barrier. So first let's start off with a crawl space. Here I am, whoa, a creepy crawl space.
Take measurements of the outside of the home so you know how much plastic sheeting to purchase.
I'm just going to show you some things that you need. So first of all, you need some 6-ply clear or black plastic. In the roll that you can get from Lowe's, Home Depot. Hammer, some landscape pins, package, tape, a roll. I only used one roll for this whole crawl space. Scissors, very important. You need scissors. That's a big key tool I have here. Some gloves. Knee pads, very, very important. And a suit.
Here is a Tyvek suit covering you from head to toe. Here's my head to toe look.
So let's go.
First thing we need to do is you and a helper need to roll out the plastic. A helper would definitely help you smooth out the plastic, roll it out, figure out which way you want to begin your project. Start in one corner of the crawl space, roll it out, smooth it out, and your partner, your helper, can help you flatten out, pull it tight, get it straight to the edges. Overlapping about 2 feet is good. Pulling it up so there's overlap on the corners and the walls is good as well. You're going to encounter some obstacles in your way, like little spiders that I hammered against the wall, and also the piers and posts, piping, water heaters, furnaces are all going to be in your way. That's what the scissors are for. When you have the plastic sheeting where you want it, you are going to use the landscape pins to set it in place so it stays where you want it to stay. You're going to hammer it in with a rubber mallet in maybe a feet or 2 apart, distancing them apart so the plastic sheeting stays where you want it to be. Here I am crawling around and taking a break between rolling around, and I'm going to tape down the edges where the sheets of plastic meet. Again, trying to keep about a 2 feet overlap between the plastic sheeting, but I'm going to tape off the edges.
Okay everybody, vapor barrier is put down, nice and clean crawl space. Well, good or bad, post your comments. Let me know I did right. Let me know what I wrong. Subscribe for more wonderful ideas, do-it-yourself ideas for your home. Fix it up all nice and pretty.